Hey guys, so Cassie is part of a group that was gifted from Plaid a variety of materials, and this was one of them. And it's a lustrous metallic gold. And all I can think about, since we got this, was trying out making the fertility idol from Indiana Jones 1. So this is like 10 coats of filler primer, 3 different coats of red base coat, which apparently makes gold pop better. So I've got my little hobby airbrush, and I've got the paint, and we're going to give it a shot. So you guys get to see this firsthand. I've never used this before. So it took doing a brush layer and then 3 airbrush layers, but I really do like the result from the folk art treasure gold that we got to try out. And with just cutting it with water a little bit, it did go through the airbrush just fine. My airbrush just isn't great, frankly, so I really need a good compressor. But honestly, Cassie compared it to gold leaf. And if you ever look at the pictures of the original prop, it really does look like they used gold leaf instead of anything else, like a paint or an acrylic or anything. And so this really turned out well. Granted, it took a lot of elbow grease, I had to sand it a lot, and I had to put on 3 coats of this, but honestly, that is so shiny. I can actually see my reflection like in the hair if I turn it all the way around. I noticed in between coats I took it upstairs to the kitchen, and I could actually see my reflection in it. Ignore the cats in the background. Way to go, asshole. But I could actually see my reflection in it, which was pretty cool. So yeah, I definitely enjoyed it. I did not go through all that much doing this idol from Indiana Jones. And if I open this up, it's still down to about here where my nail is. So say if it was up to here, I didn't go through a ton. But yeah, if you get a chance to try it out, or if you've got a project that it'll work on, it's the Folk Art by Plaid Treasure Gold Brilliant Metallic Luster Gold. If it'll focus, there we go. yeah, and we got to try this out, and so thanks to them, thanks to Jackie Craft, and yeah, I really like how this turned out. I hope you guys do too. Give it a shot if you can. If you guys want us to try out a product of yours, be sure to drop us a line, link in the description, and we'll try to come up with a project that we can use it on.